Copilot Cowork is a new experience that works across multiple apps and is designed to help you get real work done faster. Instead of just answering questions, Cowork can create documents and presentations, gather and organize information across M365, help you prepare for meetings, and even create custom apps. In this video, I'll show you 5 practical use cases. So let's get started. I'm signed in at Microsoft365.com, and I'm here in the M365 Copilot. First up, we want to actually add the Cowork agent. So on the left here, I'll choose all agents. And right now it's in our Frontier customers, which means those are our early adopters. If you don't see Cowork, I'm just going to search for it here. There it is, Cowork Frontier. Choose Add. Now Cowork gives you nice starter prompts here just to get started, but you can really have it do anything. If I click the little format text, you can get a little more options in terms of how this is formatted. And right here are the tasks. I've already done some of these, but we're going to show some new ones. The first one I'll try is research a company. This pulls up a very detailed starter prompt. What's your company? And I'm actually going to do Microsoft in this case. You can use web search. It's going to make a document. It's going to make a spreadsheet with financials, income statement, all sorts of good stuff. I'm just going to kick it off and do this on Microsoft. Okay, my prompt is set and I'll hit go. This kicks off a set of tasks. I hit show more. It's going to show all the things it's doing, but this could take up to 10 minutes. So what's nice about Cowork is I can leave this in the background and it's doing some thinking here and it's starting to plan out everything it's going to do. On the right-hand side, you can see the details. So it's mapping out the different progress pieces that it's going to do. And if I hover, I get even more details. There's going to be an output folder, and that's going to be where things like the Word document and the spreadsheet live. And it might use specific skills. It hasn't called any up yet, but if it's going to be using some specific skills, you'll see them in there. So right now we're at 0 through 4 on progress. I'm going to flip away and I'm going to go back to the main area while this works. Right here in Microsoft Company Analysis, I can see that that is in progress. Now I'm going to do a different one. We're going to do prepare for a meeting. Help me prepare for an upcoming meeting. It's going to review my calendar, emails, and Teams messages. What's really powerful about Cowork is that it's plugged into something called Work IQ. That used to be called the Substrate. It's kind of been rebranded and put through everything we're doing with Copilot. But Work IQ can see everything that you're doing. It could be documents, emails, Teams messages, SharePoint sites. It's really powerful. Now, before it does this, it's going to ask me some questions before it drafts the prep. In this case, I'm going to prepare for an upcoming meeting, and I'll give the title here. It's going to be EDU Insiders in April, and I'll hit go. So here's going to be a new task, and it might ask me a few clarifying questions before it goes and helps me prep for that meeting. Again, on the right-hand side, the little progress dialog opens up. You can see it's looking across Outlook and Teams and my files to find everything about EDU Insiders. Great, it found a lot of information here, and it's asking me a few questions before it preps my summary. So my role, I'm going to be presenting. You could say not sure yet, or you could describe other options, but sure, I'll be presenting. And I'm going to be talking about Copilot notebooks in the study guide and the study and learn agent. Concerns, I don't have any major concerns, and hit submit. So now Cowork is going to go off and it's going to help me prepare for this meeting. Great, so for my EDU Insiders prep, here's the background context. I'm going to be presenting these things. Here's some key attendees and what they care about, educators, IT admins, partners. Here's some talking points about where we are now, connecting the dots. Also questions you should be ready to answer. So it's analyzed everything I do and understands these are the types of questions that will probably come up during your presentation. Questions I might want to ask the community. And then materials to have ready. So make sure you have all these things ready. Would you like me to save this as a document? Yeah, I would. Please save this as a Word document and hit go. So now over on the right, you see skills right here, Word. Cowork will do some thinking and it'll save this as a Word document, and we'll show that in a second in the output folder. Great, it's created a Word document right here. It includes everything from the prep summary, all these details, and in the upper right, in the output folder, this is where it's putting that Word document. I can open this directly in OneDrive. There it is, open it up. Now here is my nice, beautiful Word document with my meeting prep all laid out. Now back here, it looks like my Microsoft Company Analysis and Research report is done. So I'm going to drill in here. Let's see what it did. Wow, it did a lot of stuff. So I've got a full Microsoft Equity Research Summary, Exec Summary, Company Overview, Recent Performance, key financial highlights, but here are the key deliverables: the research cover sheet and the 5-tab financial workbook right here. They're directly linked. I can also find them over in the output folder. So again, I could open these in OneDrive. I could download these. I'm just going to click to open right here in Cowork. So first, the Word document, and it's loading it up right inside of Cowork. Wow, that is a very swanky looking document. A full research document on Microsoft, the bull case, the bear case, key financial metrics. Now I just close this here. Now we're going to open up the Excel financial model. Same thing, you can open this right inside of Cowork. Wow, a very rich financial model. Look at all this data: cash flow, key ratios, valuation snapshot, income statement. Everything is right here in Cowork. And this is pretty deep. If I want to open it up in OneDrive, I just say here in Excel, it launches Excel in OneDrive. And here is that entire financial model that was built with Cowork, just with a couple of prompts. We'll go back. In the next scenario, I'll show how you can string together multiple tasks with a single prompt. I'll say, can you build me a 10-slide deck for the Microsoft Education Roadmap from now to July, then schedule a meeting with Life and Max. We're going to review this. Please create a Word document to brief Life and Max on. So it's going to do 3 different things, and we'll hit go, and I'll confirm a few things, and then we're going to speed up just to see what the final output is. Kicking off all 3 in parallel: the deck, the meeting, and the briefing doc. So you can see all these different workflows getting kicked off by Cowork. And the skills are PowerPoint, Word, and scheduling. So first up, Cowork has created inline a meeting request. I can even change the start date and time if I wanted. Here are the attendees that I said. Here's a nice little summary. I can add things in here, and I can just click create. Now it'll keep going. Okay, all 3 are done. The deck, the meeting is already sent, and the briefing doc. Over here on the right, you can see all these are checked off and done. There's the output folder. It uses these 3 skills. Let's open up the PowerPoint, see what it looks like. Okay, here's the Microsoft EDU roadmap. I've got a nice set of slides here. There's nothing sensitive, and I'm not going to go through them in detail, but it's a very nice looking deck it created. We'll go back. Now we're going to open up that Word document and say open in Word. And here is a nice roadmap briefing document. One of my favorite features of Cowork is really cool. It allows you to make interactive apps, vibe code them essentially, based on your M365 data. So let's say I have a script that I want to practice for a Cowork video. I'm going to paste in a prompt: make me an interactive script practice builder's web app that lets me practice my script for Cowork. And then I'm just going to put in my full script. Okay, there's my script. Today I want to show you how Copilot can work, blah, blah, blah. So now I'm going to hit go, and it's going to create an interactive web app. And we'll see what happens, how the design comes out. But this will help me practice my Cowork script. Okay, so it's built me a script practice builder. Oh wow, all these different things were added. Let's go check out what that looks like. Right here in the output folder in the upper right, I could just download this. It just made an HTML page. So we're just going to download this and then open it in OneDrive and launch it in the browser. Okay, here it is. Wow, it's built a full script practice builder. So it's the full script. I can have read along. So I can just practice reading along for my script right here just by clicking. Teleprompter mode. Oh my, it made a full teleprompter. If I hit play, it's moving this teleprompter. I can even change the speed and make it go faster, make it go slower, make the fonts bigger. It built all this. Guided practice. So I can say each line is hidden. So when I click on it, it will unhide the line so I can reveal these different lines for my script. It even made a fill in the blanks and a memory test. Holy moly. And then quick version. So if I just want conversational and I just want to do this, this is the short version. So if I don't want to memorize the entire script and I want a quick version, it even made that. And there's a timer at the top so I can time all this. So this just built a full script practice interactive app that's based on the content that I put into my prompt. Pretty incredible. I can also schedule prompts really easily with Cowork. So I pasted in schedule a prompt that runs after every Happy Mondays weekly meeting. It analyzes the transcript, looks for action items, puts it into a table, and then sends me a mail at 10:30 a.m. after that meeting in that morning. So if I hit go, what this is going to do is kick off a detailed scheduled prompt. And this scheduled prompt will go and analyze the recorded meeting and the transcript, make sure I don't have action items. If it does, put it into a table and then send me a mail. So it's doing multiple things across Teams and Outlook And this is just going to run every weekday at 10:30 a.m. Great, so it created this card here, and it just says, take a look at these approval cards, when it runs, what it does, and when the email arrives. Okay, so it's going to find the transcript meeting notes for the Happy Mondays, search in Teams chats, make sure I have action items with due dates, and send a mail to Mike Tholson with this subject. Great, each scheduled run opens a new session. That sounds good. I can say activate and run, or I can just say activate. So I'm not going to run this right now. I'm just going to choose to activate it, but I could run it immediately. I'll hit activate. Okay, now in the upper right, it says scheduled, active. There's my Happy Mondays action item digest. And so Monday morning, then this is just going to kick off without me having to worry about it. It's going to analyze the transcript, do all the good stuff, send me an email with action items I might have. We'll go back to Cowork by clicking right here. The other nice thing I can do with Cowork is for all my tasks here, you can see some are in progress, some are done. If I go to see all, I can see all the different tasks that I've run or that are in progress. And right here, it's in a list item. I could go into scheduled. So these are my scheduled ones right here, those automated ones. I could also go into a board view. I've got these in progress. Some might be waiting for input. These are the ones that have finished. And if any failed, they'll show up here. So you can have different visual views of your different tasks. I'll click back here to go to the main area. That should give you a nice summary of Cowork. This is going to be getting better and better over the coming weeks and months, so hopefully this gets you excited about everything you can do with Copilot and Cowork. If you want to keep up with all the latest Microsoft updates and tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel and then just ring the bell so you get all the latest videos that I post.